Hey folks, so this is going to be a real quick video just to show you some of the details of creating a new level. I sort of showed it in the video on how to add walls to a second floor, but I wanted to show it in a bit more detail. So this is that same model actually from the second floor edition where we added the walls and we added the floor in there. What I will say is, say we wanted like level 3. So actually I just closed it, but let me open up one of our elevations. Oh, that actually says level 4. That shouldn't say that. Let's delete that. There we go. So if we wanted to add like a level 3 up here, maybe that's going to be the base of a roof, or we wanted to add like a level -1 or something like that to create a basement or to do something like that. It's quite simple. I've mentioned this before, but if you hold Control on the keyboard, watch my cursor. When I push Control, so I just pushed it, a little plus appears. What that'll do, for one thing, is it'll let you add things to your selection, but it also, if you're dragging something, will create another version. Notice that says level 5. That's because I've already played around with this and it automatically numbers new levels. So I can drag that up to about 20 feet. If I couldn't get it right where I wanted, I can click once in that box, that blue box, and it will update it. Excuse me. So 20 feet is good because I want my level to go up 10 feet from below there. Let's actually rename that level 3 because it just makes more sense that way. And let's create another level down below. So I'm going to drag this one. Whoops. I'm going to drag this one straight down. And so I didn't get the foot right on that. So let's go -10. There we go. And that's going to be, let's call that level -1. And I don't actually know how it's going to order them over here, so you may want to put your numbers in the front. You can always rename floor plans and levels as much as you want. So that would allow you to create like a basement area, basement floor plan, something like that. Level 3 might let you create a third story on your structure or create your base level for your roof or something like that. But you notice we don't have floor plans for these. So that's the other piece here, is if we go to View, the View tab, and we go to Plan Views, and we say Floor Plan, it will create a floor plan, and it gives us the option to choose from any level that we don't already have assigned to a floor plan. So you can only have one level associated with a floor plan and vice versa. So I'm going to pick, let's pick level -1 here. So what that does is it creates a floor plan down there. And you notice it's putting this one after that. It does it in alphabetical orders. So sometimes you may want to, rename these views. I wonder if we did -level 1. Yes, we can rename the actual level also. Oh, look at that. So that actually puts it at the top. So whatever naming convention you want to use to keep your stuff organized, some people will go through and rename these and put the level number at the front. So if you did -1 level like that, it's going to put it at the top. Yes. If we did the same thing here, I believe it will put it at the top. So 1-level, clear that out. Let's see. Good. Yes. So it keeps those orders. So you can rename these however it makes sense to you, and that will work. So that's how you create another level in Revit. Let's call that 2. Hey, cool. And that is what it's going to do there. And then you can place stuff on those like walls and floors. So hope this helps.